Good evening, Tightliners, and welcome back to the channel. Tuesday evening, it is now 20 past 8 and we got our first baits in the water. I'm here with Kay, who's fishing a bit to my right here. Just a bit further up the beach, there's another fellow we know, Barry. He's just arrived at the same time as us. Story is, so far, there's a good old surf out there here on Llanddonna beach. I've got my trusty up and over, which I'll show you in a bit for the new members of the channel, what an up and over looks like. And that's got good bait of ragworm on there. And on the other one I've got a Portsmouth loop rig with 3/0 big mouths, or the 2/0 big mouths really. One's got a razor clam on the bottom and a black lug and razor clam cocktail on the top hook. Anyway, that one's gone in a bit shorter than the other one, and it's pulling right over to the right hand side, or to the left, right to left. And well, there might be weed in the water, who knows. There's two other guys there fishing. We haven't been to speak to them yet, see if they've had anything. So, fel yr arfer, os oes na rhywbeth, mi ddoeth i. Right guys, situation is, it's very, very weedy. The wind's blown my stand over that was holding the camera. The clip on the camera lights got busted, so it's not sitting in its usual place. So maybe the lighting just won't be as good as usual. But it's very, very difficult. Right, at the moment I'm just fishing one rod. I've got a up and over on there with a hermit crab on it. Of course that Tommy Joe gave me the other night, and well, we'll see what happens. It's very, very difficult fishing conditions at the moment. We'll keep going. I think the top of the tide is in about an hour and a half, and well, we'll see what happens after that. If it doesn't improve, it'll be a short session and we'll be on the road home. No, nothing. To top it all off, it started to rain, so I'm going to put the camera in the box out the way for a little bit, and I'll bring it back so I can dol os oes 'na rhywbeth yn digwydd. Right guys, it's absolutely chucking it down with rain. Kay's just had one dog. The guys to the left of us have packed in and gone away. How long are we going to stick this out? I don't know. Anyway, like I said, very, very uncomfortable fishing conditions. It's like winter again. Anyway, so Kay's avoided the blank. Let's see if I can do the same. No, I'm not gonna do. Okay guys, so Kay into his second fish. Little bass, little schoolie, going back that one. Absolutely. Nowhere near in size. So anyway, let's get a picture anyway. Hang on, that wasn't a very good picture there. That's better, because that might... Okay, Tightliners, I wasn't going to use it tonight, but I am going to use it now. Limitless Beach and Pier. The reason why I wasn't going to use it is because I haven't got a tape reflector on the top. But my little bass rod, only with 3 ounces lead, I was getting battered tonight really. It was not getting out far enough, and also the 3 ounce lead just wasn't holding. So I'm going to give this a go, even though I haven't got no reflector on the top. First impression is that the whipping on it, have a look at the finish on that guys. I know it's difficult to see in this light, but you know, for a budget rod, this rod retails around about £85, something like that, or £89. But fantastic eyes on it. It's rigged up for multiplayer and fixed spool. Nice reel seat on it there. Nice shrink tube, and yeah, really nice balanced kind of rod. So I'm going to give it a go now. First ever cast with it. Here we go. Here we go then. First cast. Wow, that sent that quite a long way. Just let that settle now, popping it down, and then you're going to have to keep a very, very sharp eye on it without the tip reflector. Anyway, first impressions, first cast, it flew out. So sort of a well guys, my first fish of the session, and it's not the fish I wanted to see. Yeah, you've guessed it, it's the dogfish. Anyway, let's get it unhooked, let's get it back. The Limitless Apex XT hooks 3.0, that one. There we go, first fish, dogfish. That was on the old Ziplex. Right, so at least that saves a blank. Now let's see if I can get a bar of silver. Normal chydig. Right guys, next bait going out is, where's it gone? Razor clam and ragworm cocktail. Right, let's see what that can do. Normal chydig.
Third fish, spicy little bullet, really took me rod off the stand. Yeah, just about better than a doggy.
Right, he's hammering me tonight. Normal chydig. Don't forget to stay around until the end of this video, where I will announce who is the winner of the lucky draw. I know I said tonight is Tuesday and I was keeping it open till Wednesday, but I won't have a chance now to work on this until Wednesday evening, so I'll do the draw and add it to the end of this video. Good luck everyone. As of now there was about 67 I think entries. Anyway, normal chydig. Right guys, I'm just take this opportunity again to thank everyone for subscribing. The support's been absolutely fantastic. Those people who are watching and haven't subscribed, please do so guys. Remember, it is free, yeah, you don't pay for it, but you'd be helping me out massively. Like I said, the draw at the end of this video. This Limitless rod, so far, quite pleased with it. It's casting well. It sits in the tide nicely. It casts up to 6 ounces. I've got 5 ounces on it at the moment, but looking forward to go and use it. Yeah, on our beach in Trevor Bay when the bass are really running. For a budget rod that retails for about 85 to 89 pounds, I don't think you can go much wrong. Right, so I said to you earlier I'd show you the rigs again tonight. So what I've got is I've got my rotor clip onto a clip there, the uni clip or whatever it's called from Tightlines. Then I've got crimp, feed, swivel, feed, crimp, and then up this end another crimp for the HRT spring. That little clip there is called a hangover clip, and another crimp for there, and a swivel there that goes onto your main line. And what I've got here is about, I don't know, 5 foot of hook length. .30 hook with a 2-0 circle on the top. This is the up and over, remember, and the hook sits in the rotor clip there. Like that. And then I bring the line, the hook length up, doubled up, yeah, doubled up, and then that clips onto the hangover. So then what you've got, guys, is you've got a streamlined bait going through the air. It's not sort of that, but I can do.
So last cast on a little scratching rig, a doggy, looks like a doggy, and a little eel, little common silver eel. 5 fish, 4 species. I think we're going to pack up now. It's a sign to pack up. What are you doing? Okay.
Right guys, so that's the end of that session. Don't forget to continue watching though, just to see who wins the free draw for the beanie. 1 dog for me, was it 2 for you?
2 dogs.
2 dogs.
A bass, a huss, and a little eel.
Yeah. So he beat me well and good and proper tonight.
He let me
anyway.
out that one.
So anyway guys, we'll plan the next session and see what we can do, and the hunt for that September bass continues.
Sure
I'll get there. I'll get it. So until next time guys, keep your lines tight. Good evening lads and ladies, and welcome back. So I said in the video earlier that I was going to do the draw today. As you can see in front of me here, I've got everybody's names who's entered, 68 names, everyone has been sent a number. I then set up the computer here, you can see 1 to 68 is there, and the wheel is ready to be spun. Right, don't forget, that's the prize. Anglesey Tightlines beanie. Very, very warm, yeah. Really good. Right guys, shall we find out who the winner is? Ready? So let's follow the screen. Good luck guys. And the number out is number 20. And the winner, number 20, is there, and that is Michael Willis. So Michael Willis is the winner of the beanie for the 2,000 subs. So I'd like to take this opportunity once again to thank everybody for subscribing. Keep doing it, keep watching. There's going to be hopefully some real good content coming over the winter. Don't forget that the merchandise is available. Hoodies £35, these beanies are sold for £13. Ideal now with winter coming. I know that summer has probably left us now, but these, there's still a few of these left as well for £10. So Michael, if you're watching, direct message me and I'll arrange for me to send it to you. Well done, and thank you everyone, and until next time, keep your lines tight.